What's up, Triple B fam? This a video you ain't gonna wanna miss. I need y'all to run on over there to Smokin Joes Pit BBQ channel, subscribe, be looking out. July 7th, the polls will open. It's time to vote. Look, I'm counting on you. Don't let me down. Let's get this, baby. Let's get this trophy. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to Joe with Smokin Joes Pit BBQ. This is awesome, and I appreciate the opportunity. Links in the description for his channel. Go click on it, go subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't forget, burn rubber, not your meat. Get out there and cook something, baby. We're gonna catch y'all in the competition now.